Senior Living Marketing Plan, your 90-day marketing action plan that will drive results. This is the last video in this series, and it is the most important one. Not because I'm teaching you something new, I'm not. Everything you need to know, I've already covered in the first 11 videos. What I'm doing today is taking all of it and putting it all in a week-by-week execution plan. Because here's the thing, you can know everything about Google Ads, SEO, reviews, referral follow-up systems, all of it. But if you don't know what you're doing on Monday morning, none of it matters. I built this 90-day plan because it's the exact roadmap I've used with every Senior Living Mastery client. Same approach that took Sunny Hills from nearly shutting the doors down to purchasing their third location. Through Assisted Living Near Mum, our directory of 7,000 plus facilities, I can see what the top performers do differently, and this plan is built from that data. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to open the document on the screen right now, walk you through every section, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do in week 1, week 2, all the way through to week 12. Download the document from the link on our website and get cracking with me. Now, if you haven't watched the previous videos in this playlist, please do not stress, watch this. You'll go through each section, and at the end of it, go back and watch through each item. As an example, the paid ads for senior living. This marketing plan for a senior living facility is all encompassing, an executive plan that will work well. But just stick here, watch this. This is the layout and the guidance you need. Before we get into the full plan, let me give you 3 things that will produce results the fastest, and all 3 are free. Number 1, claim and optimize your Google business profile. I covered this in the other video on local SEO for senior living. It's free. It takes about 2 hours, and it is the single highest ROI thing in this entire plan. If you haven't done it, stop watching this video right now, go and do that, and then come back. 2, put your phone number on every page of your website with a click to call on mobile. Covered in the video where we talk about website design in senior living, this takes 10 minutes. If a family can't find your number without scrolling, they're going to call someone else. And 3, respond to every lead within 5 minutes. I covered this in the video talking about lead nurturing for senior living. The data says 5 minutes response converts at 100 times the rate of waiting 30 minutes. 78% of buyers choose whoever picks up the phone first, not the best facility, not the cheapest, the first one to respond. That one habit will do more for your occupancy than the amount of ad spend that you put into your campaigns. Those 3 things alone will move the needle. But if you want the full system, let's walk through the plan. Choose your budget. $0 is zero marketing budget. Everything in month 1 is free. You can build a working system on nothing. It's slower, but it works. $1,000 a month. This gets you into Google Ads and Facebook, targeting on top of organic work. And $3,000 a month. Fully paid system across Google, Facebook, and Bing, plus everything else. A single referral from a place to mum typically looks at $5,000 to $7,000, 100 to 150% of the bet. And they might stick around for a month or 2. That's your entire monthly budget on one referral. Look at these numbers. At $0, you're looking at 5 to 15 new inquiries a month by day 90. At 1K, 15 to 30. At 3K, 30 to 60. Every task in this document is tagged. If it says all, everyone does it, regardless of the budget. If it says 1K plus, it only applies to you if you are spending at least $1,000 a month. So you always know what's relevant to you. Month 1, the walkthrough, the foundation. Month 1 is the foundation. You're not launching ads. You are not writing a blog. You're auditing everything, fixing what is broken, and building the infrastructure so that when you do start driving traffic, it actually converts. Week 1, audit and assess. As you can see in the Google Business Profile, you're completing your GBP. Every field, 20 plus, real photos uploaded, the right category selected. This was all covered in the video about local SEO, and that has the full checklist in there. Go and do that. The website audit section. Then you're running through the website audit. Phone number visible, CTA above the fold, real photos or stock, load speed, pricing visible, testimonials on the homepage. All of the checklists, go and watch the senior living website development, the competitive analysis section, then competitor analysis. You're identifying your top 5 local competitors, comparing your rating against theirs on Google Assisted Living Near Mum, A Place for Mum, Caring.com, and Facebook. The lead management video has the comparison template. Fill that in. You need to know where you stand. Lead tracking. And you're setting up your lead tracker at $0. A Google Sheet works fine. At $1K, get a CRM, like Go High Level or something like that. But either way, you're tracking every single inquiry from day 1. Week 2, fix what's broken. Based on whatever your audit has found in week 1, you're fixing your top 3 website issues. You're responding to every unanswered review on all platforms. You're creating your direct Google review link so you can start asking for reviews. And you're claiming and completing your profiles on all the major directories. Week 3 is where you start to generate reviews and you're publishing content. Your goal is 5 new Google reviews in month 1. Use the word-for-word scripts from the other videos with the lead magnet and the Google Business Profile stuff and the reputation management videos. Write your first 2 blog posts using the AI content prompts from the content strategy for senior living facilities. And you're training your front desk on the 5-minute response rule. Week 4, you're building your referral prospect list and you'll review your month 1 progress. Now, this is the month 1 expected outcomes. By the end of month 1, this is where you should be. Google Business Profile optimized, website's top issues fixed, lead tracker running, 5+ new Google reviews, 2 blog posts published, referral list built, staff trained. Total cost $0 to $300. At week 5, if you're not at 1K or 3K, this is where you launch Google Ads. Everything you need to set up is in video talking about paid ads. We've got a PPC video and a Facebook video on the YouTube channel. The campaign structure, keyword selection, negative keywords, don't miss that. Location targeting, landing page optimization and creation is all in there. Facebook ads go live here too. Retargeting at 1K, full lead gen at 3K. If you're at $0, no ads. You're pushing harder on organic content, Google Business Profile posts, and review generation, along with posting more blogs. Week 6 is your referral outreach. You're reaching out to your first 5 referral partners, hospital discharge planners, geriatric care managers, elder law attorneys. The scripts are in the video that specifically talks about referral networks. Your ask isn't send me referrals. Your ask is come and visit and tour our facility and have lunch with us and the resident. That's how you start these relationships. You're also building out your lead follow-up system. Watch the video on senior living lead nurturing because that covers that in detail. Week 7, we optimize and expand. This is the first real look at your ads data. What's your cost per lead? What's your click-through rate? Cut out what's not working, scale what is. If you're at $3,000, this is where you add Bings by importing your Google campaigns data across into Bing. It's very easy to do. Week 8, month 2 review. You're filling these in. Total leads by source, average response time, tours booked, move-ins, cost per lead, Google reviews, website traffic, all compared to month 1. If you can answer all of these, you're already ahead of 90% of facilities. And it's not actually that hard to do. Month 3, scale and optimization. Week 9, you're optimizing paid channels. Top keywords get more budget. Underperforming ones get paused. Week 10 is a big one. You're reviewing your tour to move-in conversion rate using the sales process from the other videos. That's the sales video, which discusses specifically how to master sales in senior living. And this is where I want you to mysteriously shop your own facility. Have someone call pretending to be a family looking for a parent. Have your wife or husband call the facility. See how your team handles it, how fast they respond, how the conversation goes. It will be eye-opening. Week 11, reputation and content expansion. At the end of 12 weeks, you fill in this tracker. Day 1 baseline compared to day 90. star rating, review count, leads, response time, tours, move-ins, cost per lead, cost per move-in, track that, all of it. Then you set targets for the next quarter and you keep going. This is what success should look like. So I've given you some benchmarks so you can compare your senior living facilities marketing plan against your competitors. At zero budget, 5 to 15 inquiries a month, 1 to 2 extra move-ins. At 3K, 30 to 60 plus inquiries, 4 to 8 plus move-ins. Here's the math that makes all of this worth it. 1 extra move-in per month, let's just say it's averaging $5,600 with an average stay of 22 months. That's $120,000 plus in lifetime revenue from one resident. If your entire 90-day marketing spend was $9,000 3K tier, that 1 extra move-in is covered the whole quarter of advertising in its first month. Now, let me save you some pain. These are the 10 mistakes that will kill this senior living marketing plan. I've seen them all, hundreds of facilities. Number 1, skipping month 1 and jumping straight into the ads. I get it. You want leads now, but if your Google business profile isn't done, your website doesn't convert, and your team doesn't respond to leads quickly, you're paying to send families to a bad experience. Fix the foundations first. Number 3, slow lead response. If I sound like a broken record, good. This is the biggest revenue leak in senior living. Every other marketing activity in this plan is worthless if your team takes 12 to 48 hours to call someone back. Number 4, giving up on ads after 2 weeks. Google Ads needs at least 30 days of optimization. If you turn off your campaign after 10 days because you haven't signed anyone yet, you never gave it a real chance to work. And in this space, I'll be honest, 2 months is the minimum we set. Number 6, asking for reviews once and then stopping. This is a monthly habit. 5 to 10 requests per month, every month. That's the system. And you get to score yourself on your progress. You can put down here and monitor your progress and see where you've done well, where you've missed out, where you've got to do more. So simply just put in the numbers right here. If you're above 100, 101, you're doing well. You've started there. This is not a hard thing. And I guarantee you, if you implement this strategy, you watch those videos and you implement this strategy, I guarantee you, you will see more results, even if you have little to no money for marketing right now. Once you get 1 or 2 people in those beds, you start having money for marketing, you can move into the ads and you reach out to guys like us that can help. Now, perhaps you are a facility that's looking to do more, increase that occupancy rate from 70% up to 90% and plus, like we do. We work with guarantees. So reach out to us, book a free discovery call, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Make sure you like and subscribe if this senior living marketing plan has brought you value.